I felt that looking at the values of the Toyota car production systems, where they value respect for people who do the work on the front line, that really hit me, because I've always felt that if you have to change anything, then the change has to come from below rather than from the top.
Well, Dr. Ahmed has had a number of sort of ideas for improving the way that we do things and the way that our ward and non-clinical areas are organised.
I was particularly interested in two things. One was about the discharge process for the patients, and secondly about patients who have died in hospital.
Nevada had used a production board, or started a production board, to help us to try and plan our day as to how many medical staff were available, what patients we had, how sick they were, and what jobs needed to be done.
The most important thing about developing this culture for improvement is to actually involve the people doing the work. And I think we've done that.
Staff members in the organisation are feeling more empowered and in a position to improve our own organisation and see that their ideas for improving patient care can actually become reality.
We have involved people like, healthcare assistants, we've involved the ward housekeeper, we've involved the ward clerk.
Patients' satisfaction has improved in terms of how they felt the discharge process was for them. We've noticed improvements in the time it's taken to get things ready for them to go home, and obviously that improves their experience. It also enables us to move patients through the acute areas more quickly and get people into beds earlier and get their treatment started.
I can now see that change improvement is not just a word, but it's a process, and there are lots of things that come with that process. There are tools that are available that you can use, tools like 5S, which I've used again as a part of my Lean for Leaders process. I've used it in improving the secretarial work office, and it looks completely different to how it was before. And I know that I can use that learning in everything that I do from now on.